Hi guys, welcome to our new video.
So we have come to the Wild Valley Nandi Hills. It's a resort near to Nandi Hills. We are come here for a day outing.
Yes.
We will tell you what all you can do here and is it worth visiting this resort. So stay tuned till the end to know our review about this resort. So keep watching the video. Our day started early from Bengaluru. After a long drive, we finally reached Wild Valley Resort for a quick day outing. Once we reached, we did register and got our bands and were all set to explore the place. We had booked everything online, so check in was easy. This is the main entrance, a small but cozy property surrounded by greenery. Let's show you around. We grabbed a welcome drink and headed for breakfast. But since we reached around 9:30, most of the food was already over and honestly it wasn't that great taste-wise. After breakfast, we explored the resort. It's a compact small property with basic amenities like a pool, rain dance area and a few cottages. They also have some outdoor games and few rope activities and few activities like shooting and archery, but nothing too adventurous, more like casual fun. No zip lining or any adventure activities was available. The indoor game section was nice, but not very well maintained. Still a good place to chill for a bit. Then came lunch. There was plenty of options, but again, the taste was not that great. Then we spent some time in the pool and the rain dance area, and it was time for high tea. The high tea was surprisingly good. The highlight of the day was actually the high tea. Before leaving, we did a few games like shooting and archery, a nice way to end the day. Hi guys, so we just wrapped up our day at Wild Valley Resort here near Nandi Hills. And what about the experience? How was it?
The result was okay. We would, from our point of view, we will not recommend.
Like, we personally won't come back, and we might not get our friends or family. But then it's your choice if you want to come, or we are no one to say that
Yes.
don't come or anything.
It's your choice. We have shown you our experience.
Food is also very basic. I felt very basic.
The taste was not
Taste
that.
was not good. I would suggest like the breakfast is really not worth.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The breakfast package we would highly recommend not to take. It's not that great.
correct,
Maybe you can opt for lunch and high tea.
correct.
Yeah, lunch was also like okay,
Yeah,
bland.
food was like bland. Like food was
Yeah, and the high tea was nice.
correct. The
Yeah.
IT was nice.
Like high tea was like a surprise for us. Like there was variety. You already saw. So and the activities, we would say it was okay.
Yeah, they have rope activities like 4 5 rope activities above one, and then
Some shooting,
shooting and
archery.
archery. Yeah, the
Yeah,
only two things are there,
that's
and then
all.
indoor games are there.
The indoor games were also kind of okay only. So nothing like adventure activity or anything like extreme adventure sports. If you're expecting that, don't go there.
And we heard like in their another location, like another
Location there
location,
are like zip lining
zip
and
lining and other facilities.
facilities, but in Nandi Hills one there's nothing
Yeah,
as
there is
such.
no zip
And
lining over here, and
it's a budget friendly place.
correct.
Budget friendly means the package starts from 1200 uh, for the lunch high tea package with all the activities and rain dance, and the package we chose with breakfast was 1400. That was including breakfast, lunch, high tea, including GST. So there are better options also in the same price. It wasn't bad, but it is not that great.
Correct. And I think we have a difference because we have gone better places than this, and with a good price, like
Yeah.
within the same price
Same
range,
price range, there are better options.
way better options.
Way better options. So we have gone to way better places than this. That's the reason we feel like, oh, we are not that satisfied.
One more good point was like I would say like less crowded. Like it's like only like some 50 60 people were there.
Yeah, no bigger crowd
Bigger crowd, yeah.
because of the review also maybe.
Maybe like, or maybe like
Yeah.
this
Location.
it's location as well as the property is not so vast. It's a small property.
Small property.
Yeah.
It's really small. That's our experience from Wild Valley Nandi Hills. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel, Maria Ajay. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.